So hello students, welcome in today's amazing video, and today we are going to look at how to use can I. For example, can I do this? Can I please go out? So today we are going to focus mainly on how to use can I. Remember, can I in Luganda is Nsobola Nze, since you're talking about yourself, I in Nze. So can I Nsobola Nze? Okay, so can I questions are used to request politely for something. Once again, so these can I questions, they are used to request for something in a polite way. So ebibuuzo bya Nsobola Nze bikozesebwa okusaba ekintu mu bwetoowaze. Remember, politeness is obwetoowaze in Luganda. So can I questions are used to request for something in a polite way. Okay, so they are used to express one's ability to do something. And what do I mean by this? For example, you have the potential of doing something. So you can say, can I please do that? Nsobola nze okukola ekyo. So you are expressing your ability in one way or another of doing something. Biraga obusobozi bw'omuntu okukola ekintu. One more time. They are used to express one's ability to do something. So can I questions biraga obusobozi bw'omuntu okukola ekintu, as we are going to see. Okay, how we use can I in sentences. So can I plus the verb. Remember, we said a verb is a doing word. A doing word, we have like a word which shows an action. For example, sit, stand, teach, walk. That is what we call a verb. And if you didn't watch that video concerning verbs, please refer to my videos in playlist 1 about verbs. Okay, so can I, we use it in this way. You say can I plus the verb. Remember, the verb is a doing word, as I've earlier told you. So okozesa otya eno can I nsobola nze mu Luganda? You say nsobola nze plus ekikolwa. So omala nsobola nze oyongerako ekikolwa ky'oli mu kukola nga bwe tugenda okulaba. One more time. You say can I, you add on the verb. So immediately after can I, oyongerako eno verb kye bayita doing word in English. Hope we are together. Okay, let's have some examples such that you further understand what I'm talking about. Example 1. Can I eat? You can see can I, then followed by a verb to eat. So can I eat that? Once again, so to use can I, ogenda gamba can I, then you add on the verb, which is eat. So can I eat that? Can I eat that? Are we together? And this in Luganda is nze nsobola okulya ekyo. So you are asking in a polite way. So can I, when you're requesting in a polite way for something, or you are showing your ability when you're requesting to do something. For example, in this sentence, can I eat that? Nze nsobola okulya ekyo. So nze nsobola noyongerako ekikolwa. Ekikolwa it is okulya. So nze nsobola okulya ekyo. Can I eat that? Hope you understand clearly. Okay, let's go to example 2. Can I sit? So this is the verb. Can I sit, please? Can I sit, please? It's a question. And in Luganda, it's nze nsobola okutuula. So sit is okutuula, implying that sit is the verb here, and okutuula kyekigambo kyekikolwa nga we tulabye waggulu enkozesa ya can I. So nze nsobola okutuula bambi, because of please. Hope we are together. Plus a question mark at the end, because this is a question. You add a question mark since you're asking in a polite way. Nze nsobola okutuula bambi. Hope you understand. Okay, let's continue. Can I borrow your cup? Once again, can I borrow? This is the verb. Can I borrow your cup? This in Luganda is nze nsobola okwewola ekikopo kyo. Nze nsobola, can I borrow? Nze nsobola okwewola ekikopo kyo. Plus a question mark. Okay, example number 4 is can I have some water? So you are asking for water in a polite way or in a polite manner. You say, can I have some water? You can add on, can I have some water, please? So someone will give you the water you are requesting for, because you've asked in a polite way. So can I have some water? Nze nsobola okufuna ku mazzi. Nze nsobola okufuna ku mazzi. Example 5. Can I come? Can I come? Nze nsobola okujja. So verb is come, okujja. Nze nsobola okujja. Okay, let's proceed. Can I ask you? Can I ask you? Can I ask is the verb. So nze nsobola okubuuza. So kubuuza is you are requesting something from someone. Nze nsobola okubuuza. Hope we are together. Can I pray? Can I pray? This in Luganda is nze nsobola okusaba. Nze nsobola okusaba. Hope you understand how to use can I. Points to note is that when you're using can I, you add on the verb immediately after can I. Ng'omaze okukozesa nze nsobola oba nsobola nze oyongerako ekigambo kyekikolwa. Remember we said verb is a doing word like talk or eat. Ekigambo kyekikolwa, for example, okwogera oba okulya. So bino bigambo biraga ekikolwa omuntu kyali mu kukola. Omala nze nsobola nze ozzaako kikolwa. Ndowooza mukategedde. Okay, let me leave you with this exercise. Translate to Luganda. Translate to Luganda. Question. Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone? So can you translate this sentence to Luganda? You can send in your answers in the comment box. Bye bye. Whenever.